Young chef with a suave steak rep being.
What's up, guys? We are here in Orlando right now. We're shooting on the DJI Nano 4K 24 4.3 Rocksteady negative 1.0 exposure value. We're at 100 to 1600 ISO, 100 to 8000 shutter, and we're on all auto settings as well. We're about to get on this little railway, this little tram. If you guys have never been to Orlando, it takes you on a tram rail to the other side where you go pick up your bags. But we're traveling light today. We've got a backpack. Shout out Peter McKinnon, Pete's Pirate Life, for my nomadic backpack. And then I also have this nomadic travel carry-on. So I take this with me everywhere. And I've got my cameras in here. So we're here for just a quick trip, 2 days, and my nephew's senior night for his basketball.
Flashing lights in new location, brand new places, flying around. Hit the music, grand illusion, club exclusive. Join the crowd. I know that you want it, feeling like you need it. I know that I'm on it, so if you ain't with me, beat it. I know that you want it, feeling like you need it. I know that I'm on it.
All right, so we're here by door 13 right now, waiting for my dad to come get us. It's like 65 degrees, I think, here in Orlando, so not too bad. I brought my little windbreaker with me. So we'll wait for him and then we'll get home. I'm starving. So my dad said he's about 2 minutes away. I don't know how much I believe that right now, but we'll see. We'll see. It's probably been about 45 seconds already. I'll say the timer starts right now at 7:14. We'll see what time we get picked up at. 2 minutes. You made it right on time.
Yeah, man, it worked out good. I left at 6:40.
All right, we had it timed. He said he would be there in 2 minutes. He made it, 7:16.
I know my stuff, brother.
What's up, KK?
Best UPS driver of the year I won.
Yes, sir. All right, we're in Orlando. I'm already sweating.
Kenna wanted to come see you, man.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
No, I'm glad he did. Okay, what's a good beat? Ba, come here. How do you play? What's a good beat like?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't do it. Papi, come here real quick.
It's like this.
Here, hold it on him.
Look at it.
Hold it on him. I'll be right back. Keep going.
After you go like this. But every time you hit this one, you gotta have that
Why
sound.
don't you pick that up? Learning how to play conga.
Look at that. And when you do that, I'll bring the other ones in.
Are you even recording?
You sound like
Yeah.
that. You gotta.
Gio, am I in frame?
Like this.
Get us in frame. Alright. Put your fingers like almost on the camera.
Allá en el Monterrey, la salsa día. Allá en el Monterrey, la salsa día. Y Jesús quería saber por qué la salsa día, por qué no consumía. Quería saber. Y quita, quita, quita las sandalias de tu pie, porque el lugar que pisas santo es. Quita, quita, quita las sandalias de tu pie. This one is basically the same thing.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I learned that from Abby. I learned that from Abby. Oh,
Hold on, what was I gonna put? Oh, just hold in the frame.
I live to worship you.
Hold in there.
I live to worship you. I live to worship. Come on, Gio, you asked me song.
Which one do you want?
I live to worship you. I live to worship you. I live to worship you. Watch. Oh, Lele, you know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, you better do something. You know what I tell people? Do the white thing, do the black thing, do the Puerto Rican thing, but baby, do something.
Okay, chill.
Oh,
It's a little loud.
I can't do it.
worship you. I live to worship you.
I had it.
I got food
I
everywhere.
want that right there.
Now what are you doing there?
I don't know. Here, you play that one.
Let me go get the other one.
What's the other one?
No. What you doing? No, don't be
Hand
scared.
over this.
Don't be scared. Play the way you want to play.
Okay, start it over. Ready?
Bro, look it. Go slow. Twice. Yeah, twice. Put this one, the thumb, like this. When you're gonna hit it, you just cover it.
okay.
Yeah. No, no. No.
Hold on.
Don't move this hand. Yeah. Then I can go like this.
Just get him. Just get him.
I'm walking in rhythm, moving in sound. I'm talking about my baby, trying to move on. It's been so long since I've seen her. I'm tired of being all alone. I gotta find my place home, go back home. I'm walking in rhythm, moving in sound. Talking about my baby, yeah, I try to move on. It's been so long since I've seen her. You can see that move.
This is what family is like. Welcome to the family show. You can't talk in the same room under a decibel.
And now you live in that.
Everybody's yelling and they're only 5 feet away from each other. Bye.
You got straight hair, there's only so much you can do, it's not fair.
Gio.
You could do a Laos straight here. You could have a nice flow like mine.
It's when you have curly hair, you can't do much.
Listen.
You shouldn't have bangs after
Morema, I hate those.
10 years old.
He cut them off, yeah. Look at, they were down to here. Look at now. He cut them all the way up here. Hey.
You're gonna look like a...
Mascara? Ask me if you have a website. Did you like it?
Y'all ain't ever seen someone cry like this. Someone cry like this. Hey.
Where's your eyebrows? Oh, why?
They give me the eyebrows.
Where's her eyebrows?
Oh, she looks like she did something to them. No, I didn't. She shaved them.
You faded them.
You want more honey?
You gave them a taper. Just
You want more honey, Jeff?
what is going on here?
Yeah, more honey, Sarah.
minute of it. Be quiet.
This is all for my vlog.
Oh my God. Cooperating and helping us.
Good?
Take a picture. You and Judy. Go, 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 go.
What are you gonna do? How many points? huh? It's recording.
I get at least 20 today. Only by the grace of God. You know, I'm excited. All the family popped out. I'm ready. Worked hard for this. It went by so fast.
All right, shoot me a three-pointer. All right, we're out here right now. I'm doing some photos. We'll see what we get on the Nano, but we got the whole family out here in Florida. This is Florida high school basketball right now. Senior night for Gio, my nephew. And we got some shirts made, custom.
Exemplified it, and everyone around you has seen it, has seen the growth, and has seen the dominance on the court, and just you have gone to a whole new level with your game, but not only your game, but also your leadership. And I am thankful that I got to be your coach this year. And from Gio's mom.
Giovanni, our gift from God. From the moment you came into our lives, you have been one of our greatest blessings. Watching you grow into the young man you are today has been one of the greatest joys of our lives.
Guiding and discipling me. I'm thankful that Jesus brought me this far along. I'm grateful for every step, trial, and blessing in this journey. Thank you to all who are a part of it.
Let's give it one more time for senior Gio. Yeah, number one.
It's only 9, let's go! Post-game thoughts. How do you think you played?
I think I definitely could have done better on both ends, be more efficient, but we played a tough team. We battled to the fourth quarter. We just gave up. Towards the end, we ran out of gas. That's it.
Nice. Victor played on fire in that first half.
Hey, man, I gave it my all, but unfortunately we couldn't finish executing it with the W, but we're going to bounce back on Wednesday. So
That's right.
We'll get it back.
Still got a whole season. Good job. All right. It's the next day, and we're getting ready to head back to Chicago right now. But how'd it go? How do you feel about yesterday?
Great night, man. People popped out. Tough game, tough loss, but keep working, man. Shit. Shout out Uncle Juicy behind the cam, bro.
Sad to have my panda bear here with us, 3 Musketeers again, and now he's leaving. But we had a great time.
Last thoughts? I'm heading out.
Well, everything turned out good. God is good. Brought my son like he always does for one day or two. But at least he made it out there. He showed me loyalty. That's loyalty, and I appreciate him. And Gio played all right. So have a nice day.
Gio, you did amazing. We are so proud of all your accomplishments.
Oh, it keeps breaking.
Hey, bye.
No.
All right, guys. Well, it's been fun. Quick trip home. Yeah. Quick trip home. Not home, but quick trip to see the family. We'll see ya. Stay human.
Pointing to the Father like that's him. GPS the tomb, you need directions. It stay empty, we all busy, it stay shining. Gospel intertwined in my rhyming, cuz Jesus told us go, so I stay grinding. All the records go gas, but we stay climbing. I don't need fame, I chase purpose. I ain't with the cowards that need courage. Stop playing with God, it's so disturbing. Ain't no punching out the spirit, stay working, cuz they want a quiet place, but I ain't silent though. UPS, how they pushing that envelope. We pushing out a message too. We got the trenches out in heaven, but we messing with a different loop.
God's time. I can't get distracted, I've been on assignment. Praising God with my dogs, you know we vibing. Threw some crosses in my chains, we ain't hiding. Cause I'm shining, I'm shining. Walk with God, that's the reason that I'm shining. I'm shining, stay shining. Walk with God, that's the reason that I'm shining.
Like for real. Does God still use no sabo kids? Cause every single one of my children is. But I still think in Spanish. Gotta translate all my sentences.